How to track your Cash App card. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we're going to talk about how can you exactly track your Cash App card. A Cash card is an essential component of the Cash App platform. Once you have successfully set up your Cash App account, you have the option to easily request a Cash App card online. To do so, simply navigate to the Cash Card section, locate and click on the Get Cash Card button. From there, you can choose the color of your card, personalize it with your own signature, and provide your full mailing address before submitting your request. Rest assured, your Cash App card will be delivered to your specified address within a time frame of 7 to 10 business days. Now the burning question remains, is it possible to track the status of your app card while it is in transit? There is currently no tracking mechanism available for the Cash App cards. However, if your Cash card fails to arrive within the expected time frame of 10 days, it is recommended that you promptly contact the Cash App customer support to inquire about the delay. It is crucial to verify that the mailing address provided is accurate, and in the event that you do not receive a satisfactory resolution, you may need to go through the process of reordering your Cash App card following the same steps as before. So this was all about how to track your Cash App card. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.